you should know that science is everything around you. So, you need to understand how to use things correctly. Okay, what can I learn today? Be ready. The show will start now.
Dad, my ice cream is melting. Why? I want my ice cream. It's liquid now. I can't eat it anymore. I want it to be solid again.
Relax, Ahmed. This is normal. The heat makes the ice cream melt. But that doesn't mean it disappeared.
But why can't it go back like before?
Ahmed, this is called a physical change.
A change? What does physical mean?
It means the substance changes in a shape or a state, but it stays the same substance. The ice cream is still the same. Its composition hasn't changed. It just moved from a solid state to a liquid state because of the heat. If we put it back in the freezer, it will freeze again.
So, it goes back like before?
Exactly. Let's go home.
I'm so thirsty. I want some cold water. Oh, where is the water? This is ice. Who put ice in my cup?
I put some water in the freezer, Ahmed.
But where did the liquid water? Did the water turn into something else?
No, my dear. It's still water. But when we lowered its temperature greatly, it changed from a liquid state to a solid state. This is also a physical change. It can return to liquid water when it melts.
Mom, I'm so hungry.
I will fry a delicious egg for you.
Look, Mom, the egg has changed. It's no longer liquid like before. And its taste and color are different.
That's right. Frying an egg is an example of another type of change.
Oh no! I burned the paper. Turn the paper back to how it was.
Of course, Ahmed, I cannot. This change cannot be reversed. The paper has turned into a new substance, ash and gases.
Peace be upon you, my little Ahmed. I'm here to help you understand these mysteries.
Who are you? Can you bring back the paper for me?
I'm the wise man, and I cannot bring back the paper. But I can explain to you why. You have witnessed three kinds of changes today: melting ice cream and water turning into ice. These are called physical changes. In them, the form or state, solid, liquid, gas, of the substance changes, but its chemical composition remains the same. They are changes that are often easy to reverse. Frying the egg and burning the paper. These are called chemical changes. In them, new substances are formed with entirely different properties. The cooked egg is different from the raw one, and ash is different from paper. They are changes that are often difficult or impossible to reverse.
Ah, so the melted ice cream is still ice cream, but the burnt paper became something new.
Excellent! You are smart. A physical change is a change in form, like breaking glass. And a chemical change is a change in substance and the formation of a new material, like baking a cake or roasting iron.
Do you understand now, champion? The world is full of chemical and physical changes all around us.
Yes, I will look for more wonderful changes everywhere. Thank you, wise man. I'm going to get another ice cream before it melts.
But this time, eat it quickly.